It's pumpkin season again, and I'm going to show you how I build up the textured surface of this ornamental squash. Hi, I'm Marie, and this is one of my step-by-step tutorials that you'll find inside the Watercolor Members Club. I build up this textured surface in layers. So I begin with a very light wash all over, and then while the surface is still damp, I start to paint in quite loosely all of the little shapes that I can see. After I've painted in each layer, I allow it to dry, and then I come back to it, just lightly dampening the surface again so as not to disturb the paint that's already down. And then I continue to build up the shapes, making sure that I leave spaces for the lighter underneath layer to show through, therefore creating depth in my painting. Then I take a smaller brush and a darker shade of my colour, and once again I apply my paint, working around the shapes that I've already painted, adding this darker definition wherever I need to in order to really enhance the textured surface. And then I move on to the dark green colour at the base of the squash. Still using my smaller brush, I do the same here, loosely painting in all of the surface pattern that I can see down here. And then I continue to build on this, deepening it up where I need to, so that I get that really lovely deep rich colour. And then I come up to the top and create the pattern and texture up here as well. Now when I move on to the stalk, I also want to create texture on it, but in a slightly different way, as the textured surface here is elongated and it doesn't have the same pattern as the rest of the squash. So I still build it up in layers, I just make sure that the textured surface is longer and smoother. Then coming down to the light areas between the deep orange and green stripes, and although these areas are much lighter, I still want to give them lots of shape and form. So I lightly paint in the surface pattern and create the texture here as well. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for some more upcoming tips and techniques. And if you'd like to try the full step-by-step tutorial, you can click the link below and learn more about the Watercolor Members Club. You'll also have access to 70+ more watercolor tutorials as well when you join up. So goodbye for now and have a lovely day.